So today we're going to be showing a tutorial on how I did this install. Do not glue down, no lace cap, don't put it around my ears. I literally just put that cap on just to hold my hair, put on this wig, and then, you know, style it like I do. This is like the quick way I do my hair like almost every like day, because I don't wear my wigs to sleep. I like to retain them, so this just is the easiest way. It may not be the cleanest way, but nobody really notices. I don't really notice, and I like it. I have to look at myself all the time, and I love to see it. But without further ado, let me show you how to put on this wig. I'm going to start with my wig cap on. Like I said, I do not glue it, nor do I put it around my ears. It's just to hold my hair. The hair I'm using is the Butta Lace Unit 3. I got it in a 1B, and she is a beauty right out of the box. I'm going to start with plucking the hairline just because it's a bit full. I'm not really down with the full look just because our natural hairline is kind of sparse. So we want to make her look like she's balding, if you get what I mean. But don't pull too much because you don't want to look like you have a bald spot for real, for real. But I just want to make sure that it looks like my hair. So I will test it on my head to kind of see, like, is she giving scalp or is she not giving scalp? And guys, just look at this hair. It's literally beautiful. It's shiny. It's already getting tangled, but yeah, that's what synthetic does. So I just want to make sure that I can see that hairline, especially down the middle, and if I want to please the middle part or the side parts, just so in case I want to bring the hair back that it looks somewhat natural. So what I'm seeing is one side has more plucking that needs to be done, so I'll take it off and just continue plucking. After that, I will take my concealer and I will go in, and this definitely helps. If you cannot pluck, just add concealer over some of the hair strands and it'll hide it for you. Next, I'm going to cut the lace. And no, I do not glue this to my head and cut it because I've cut myself that way. But I'm going to go with my scissors, and you want to do like a jagged type of line. You do not want a straight line, because when you have a straight line, you can literally tell when you glue it on. It's just so obvious. So I try to go in like a zigzag motion so that it looks like not there but there, if that makes sense. So I'll go up and down with my scissors, and I won't go like cut a straight line. I'll just cut piece by piece. I'm gonna adjust my wig cap just to get like all my hair, make sure all my hair is in the cap, even though I will be using some of my edges to help blend in this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and apply Got2b glue to the front of my like head or whatever, just so that it can glue right there in the middle. I'm not going to add it to the edges of my hair because I'm not going to stick the wig there. I'm going to brush out with my fingers some of my edges to blend in the wig. I do secure my wig with the clips that they provide in. I just put it underneath, just because since I'm not bringing the wig fully down onto my forehead, I can tilt the hair in the back. But what I'm going to do to just make sure the front looks good is I'm going to use this, I don't even know what they call them, just to secure all the hair so nothing gets glued in the front. And then I'm going to pluck all the edges that I want into the front and just add a bit more glue to secure that wig in the front as well. So please don't judge me, but I am not good at doing edges, and I was trying to do them on camera for you guys, but I just kept messing up. And like I said, I'm not the best at this. I always kind of get the yay or nay when it comes to doing my edges. But like I said, I'll take some of the hair and then I'll take my own hair and then I'll try and blend them in together. And usually like these will curl up because I don't use like a heavy glue. I use like an eco style glue that will curl up later on. So I'm going to use this wax bar just to bring my hair down. I'm gonna take off the headband as well just to get the sides so that I can also use my hair iron to give it more of like an upbeat look, if that makes sense, or like just give it more of volume. That's the term I'm looking for. I'm going in with this detangular, and I love this thing. Will live by this thing. It has kept my hair so soft and just make sure it defines the curls. Okay guys, so this is the hair. Cute. I'm gonna get ready and show you guys like my final look. Tell me what you think about it. I actually didn't get to film like my hair, so this is what it looks like. So this is what necessarily is in my intro, but this is exactly how it turned out after adding a little bit more makeup in the front and just adding a bit more spray here and there. It just came out so pretty. This was the first time trying this unit, and I will definitely be buying more of it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to tune into the next video and subscribe. Bye guys.
This is not to get confused. This one's for you. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could